Okay, we just arrived at the station that's right near the Warner Brothers studio tour. So we're gonna go head over there and check it out. It was about an hour, 20-minute commute from Tokyo. So it was kind of far, but we were finally here, made it on time. And also kind of random, but there's just one thing, especially because it's summertime, we don't really want hot drinks, but this is super good. We have it's cold corn soup or corn pottage. You would think it's kind of weird because it's cold soup, but it's actually really refreshing somehow. Anyways, let's head over to Harry Potter and just geek out.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's so heavy.
Is it?
So heavy.
We're here, I'm so excited. So excited for this. There's all this other stuff around here, out here in the park. I'm so excited, let's go. Slytherin for the win.
I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you.
Go, 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 run, run. Go, 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 get him, go get him. We just finished up at the WB Studio Tour for the the making of Harry Potter experience. Absolutely amazing. I definitely did not think it was gonna be that big. I thought it'd probably take maybe a couple hours. We were there for about 5 hours and we still gotta go. We still have things to do. Yeah, that tour took over 5 hours. The shops were humongous. They had a really cool, they just had so many different crazy sets. It's amazing. But yeah, anyways, we're walking over. It's gonna be about another 37-minute commute to Harajuku, which isn't too bad. And then we're gonna do some thrifting and just go shopping. I'm trying to find I'm hoping to find maybe a used nice bomber jacket. I haven't found a bomber jacket that I personally liked that was in a color that I liked, so hoping to at least find that. I did buy a hoodie, Slytherin hoodie, so that was kind of cool. Finally bought my first wand. I've always liked the Dumbledore one, so I ended up copying that one. They did have, I think, 7 or 8 WB Studios Tour exclusive ones. Those were okay. I didn't particularly like them enough to get it, so I ended up not getting it. There was one exclusive Tokyo Studios Tour that was like, I think it was Hedwig. I'm running out of breath talking. All right, but anyways, we're gonna head to Harajuku right now.
We're waiting for your rainbow bubble.
You mean my rainbow cheese ball? Okay. This is the last night.
That wasn't as cool as it was on Instagram, but All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up here for the day. We got to Harajuku kind of late, so we only had a couple hours before everything started closing up, and almost everything is closed now except for a couple stores here and there. So, and plus we gotta get back early because we got another Disney day. We're heading to Disney Sea tomorrow, and I guess it's almost 9 o'clock, but I wouldn't say this is necessarily early for resting, but we definitely gotta get back to the Airbnb and try to get as much rest as we can because we have a super long day at Disney Sea. Just the other day, Disneyland was already exhausting, so this time we're gonna take an Uber instead of taking a train because that was just too much work and it's not worth it. We're just gonna eat the cost and pay the convenience fee. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog.